guys may have a dream about racing cars. Today, we got great news. Look this, F1 Racing Hoverboard. It's not just the design is awesome. The great feature is about racing sound. When you're riding the hoverboard, it gives you the racing sound, feeling like you're driving a racing car. You guys may love it. With the Gyroor app, you can see the battery life, riding speed. You can custom the LED color lights wherever you like it. When you get any problems of a gyro hoverboard, you can troubleshooting in the app. You can change the children mode and the adult mode. You can adjust the speed wherever you want. You can turn on and off the safe balance mode. There's a great feature about alarm functionality. When somebody move your safe balance scooter, it will give you alarm voice. This thing is awesome. We have a special name, F1 Hoverboard 2.0. And now we are starting pre-order on our website, gyroboard.com. If you guys are ready, please go check out. And the pre-order, we're gonna ship as soon as possible. If you guys love this video, please share it with your friends and family. We appreciate it for your help and the support. Thank you for watching.